Now we're going to take the Blue Hole Nature Trail. It's only about 2/10 of a mile, quarter of a mile, to see the Blue Hole that provided all the water for the Native Americans that lived here. It's almost two starts to the Blue Hole Trail. One kind of leads on the inside of a field, and I didn't take that route. I took this route that leads into the woods itself. Looks like it all shakes out the same. Here's the little trail that would have led in from the field. This, I believe, is Connector Trail that leads to the Council of Trees into an overlook. That'll be another adventure. Oh, how wonderful the woods are here. There's a sidewalk over. It's a wonderful little bench. And down to the stream. How beautiful the water is here. Just love this view. How clear. Oh, really beautiful old growth trees through here. Wow. Oh, this is unfortunate. This area is closed. I wonder if there's some storm damage or something. But we will get to the Blue Hole, the Council Spring, from another way. I've come back around now to the Blue Hole. Oh, what a beautiful spring. There's not much of a trail down here. You just walk down and cross the bridge like that little squirrel's doing. Let's go see it. There is another world under this, and it is like ours in everything. Animals, plants, and people, save that the seasons are different. The streams that come from the mountains are the trails by which we reach this underworld, and the springs at their heads are the doorways by which we enter it. But to do this, one must fast and go to water, and have one of the underground people for a guide. We know that the seasons in the underworld are different from ours because the water in the spring is always warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer than the outer air. Here is where the trail would have ended up. And here is the Blue Hole Spring. Here you can see it actively bubbling up out of the ground. I love this about springs. You can see the shower from the edge of the cave there. Maybe it's hard to see in video. So beautiful. We'll walk the edge of Council Spring Creek to where it ends here shortly. But I want to thank you all for coming on this little adventure with me. I've seen the old council house and the council grounds. Getting a taste of what life was like living back then. And to see the Blue Hole itself, the waters that the councils and the Cherokee elders drank from. Until next time, keep exploring and stay wild, folks.